Oh, it's right there. Right at 7.
Where are you at?
What's happening, YouTube? Thanks for watching again. So on today's video, it's gonna be fun. All of this, these 3 right here, are gonna get weighed, not by a scale that we drive over, but by the DOT. So check it out, stay tuned. But first, we're gonna start the 140 up and stock some gravel over there just for fun, because we can. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Weighing this thing. Wait for the glow plugs, and these glow plugs do take a while. Or maybe they just don't go out. There it is. Fire's right up. She is cold out. Goosey knock. Little load trail. Friend's project car. Whitey, the Duramax, and the dump truck. So I'm going to sit in the pickup truck. So here's the deal. For those of you in Michigan, running a tri-axle tag trailer known as a 25-ton capacity trailer, you guys are probably wondering, like, hey, am I overweight? How much can you actually put on tri-axle tag trailer? So this one is, and this is a very stock sort of standard configuration, 24-foot deck. Actually it's 23, so I don't know if this one's short or if a 24 is actually 23, but most of the ones that I see dimensions on are 24. Okay, this one we added a bunch of D-rings to it when we had it painted last year. It's got a bunch of new tires on it. I just put new tires on the front, so the front has new tires. That front axle does. A bunch of new airlines, a couple new brake chambers. It's a 2002, maybe a 2001 Trail King. I don't know. So here's how it works in Michigan. And I've talked about this on some of my other videos, but one of the things you need to know in excavating in any state is what are your state's axle regulations, weight limits, etc. So there's a standard bridge formula for the US that is a standard formula, but your state may be different. So because this is a tri-axle, 1, 2, 3, spaced 3.5 feet apart or further, I think these are 49-inch spreads, you can have 13,000 pounds on each axle. Okay, so that means the trailer's rated to haul 50,000 pounds. You can still only put 39,000 pounds total gross vehicle weight on that trailer divided by those axles because of the state's axle regulation laws. It does not matter what that thing's rated for. Okay, now on the dump truck, on a tandem, and again, I might be repeating myself because it's a tandem axle assembly, you're allowed, I get this confused, it's either 32 or 34,000 pounds. I think in Michigan they'll let you go 34,000 pounds, I think. So on the tandems, you can put 34,000 pounds. Now the back of that truck, each axle has approximately 6,000 pounds on each axle. And so that's 12 less 34, you've got 22,000 pounds. So that thing on the rear axles can scale 22,000 pounds, and then we can put we get about 4,000 to 5,000 pounds on the axle. So that truck right there, 28,000 pounds, is about the max of what that thing can legally carry. So let's call it 28, 14 ton. That truck can about legally carry 14 ton on it, which is pretty impressive for a tandem. It's light, it's only 21,000 pounds with a driver full of fuel. So that's what we get there. Oh, here comes Barry. He's the yard dog. Or something? Like, no, anyways. So what we needed to know is how much that excavator went on this trailer weighed. We didn't know if we were overweight or not. Now I'd weighed the whole thing, the whole entire rig combined, dump truck, trailer, excavator, me in it, was 68,000 pounds. So I knew we were close. I knew we were real close, but it was just a gross scale, so we couldn't really tell. So we had the DOT come out, and that's where I'll cut to. Okay, here we go. Weighing this thing. The real test will be the trailers. $5,000. What were the fronts? Do you remember?
35. What? How does that work?
It just.
No, how does it transfer the weight from here up into here?
I don't know. Don't know. Oh, inaccurate way.
This time. Getting in again.
Uh-oh. We broke it. Broke it. Put the lockers in, that might help you. He wanted a new scale anyways.
Oh no, it's a pain in the ass getting these things.
Oh, man.
I don't know why this one keeps kicking on it. Nice and easy. Trying to decide if you need to move it forward or back.
I took it to a farm scale the other day,
Okay.
and it was one whole scale. Gross,
Right.
It was 68, but I got like 48 on the trailer when the trailer was just on,
It's gonna be heavy.
and then the truck was 20. It just didn't add up.
Right.
And I'm gonna order a new trailer, and I was like,
Yeah, whenever you got air.
yeah, and I didn't want to like order a new trailer and have it not be right.
Now be what you need. Won't be a problem this time. That one won't make much of a difference because he's up under. That was off the truck? Yeah. Okay.
So we're
6,000 on this side.
Okay.
Yeah, good playing so rough with that flat.
What are we there, Pete?
6.5. 6.5. So you're good on that axle. So
Okay.
12.5 total. You're allowed 13 on these ones. So
13 on all of them?
13,000 on each individual.
Each axle,
So,
yeah. Is he gonna back up?
Oh, yeah, we can do it either way. Actually, you can go forward.
Oh, that works too.
Just like volleyball, we're
Do we need to switch around the trucks?
What's that?
The ones on the truck, switch those around?
Yeah. Just so we get.
What do you think, Pete?
I
I
don't
think
know.
we're going to be over on those 2 back ones now, which so means the tongue weight. Oh, it's right there, right at 7.
What are you at?
That one's at 7.
There's 7.
What's that one?
This one's 74. 14.4. They're getting heavier as we go back, so I'm betting that'll be your heaviest.
Yeah, because when I weighed this, that was the heaviest. When that axle first got on the scale, that was the heaviest. So we moved the tongue,
Okay.
and so now we're so I think if we move the tongue down a little bit more, we might level it out. Yep. No.
Wow.
74?
74?
74 over there, yeah.
Now you're 14.9 back there. So.
Okay, so to wrap this up, we're basically 13.5 on each axle, which they give you an extra 1,000 pounds over, but posted it's 13,000 on each axle. They'll let you be 1,000 pounds over on each axle, so we're like 13, anywhere from 13 to 13.5. I think, I can't remember which was which, but anyways, it just barely works. I mean, barely works. So no big deal though, we're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate it. Like the video, and we'll check you on the next one. Take care.